to Biology. Biology.
Hello guys, I am coming to you today with a collab by Diva Designs on a Dime by Kimberly Davis. Guys, this is such a beautiful collab, and of course I could not pass up being a part of it. This collab, guys, is showing love plus a tablescape or something like that, but you must include a heart. So guys, with this you had to show 3 things that you love. So guys, let's get to the 3, 2, and 1. I am going to go for number 3 to number 1. My number 3 will definitely be I absolutely love recording for my YouTube channel. Within this last year, it has allowed me to meet so many different beautiful people and to look at their content and to look at the things they cook. So my number 3, guys, would absolutely being a YouTuber. I absolutely love it. My number 2 love is totally and forever will be my 3 children and my husband. The best thing ever possibly could have been becoming a mom in 1997. My last one was born in 2004. I absolutely love my kids. I absolutely love being a mom. And in 2018, I became a wife for the first time at 44 years old. So I enjoy and love my husband. So my number 2, guys, would definitely be my children and my husband. Number 1, guys, is absolutely God above. None of this could be possible without God above. Also, none of this would be possible of being a YouTuber without the love and the support of God Jesus Christ. So guys, my number 1 is God. guys, I hope you did enjoy this collaboration. I absolutely had so much fun. And of course, guys, showing my 3 loves to you all. They're kind of like evident on my videos that I do. And besides that, guys, you know I absolutely love tablescapes. So, Kimberly, thank you so much for this open collab. I am so looking forward for next year also. Guys, I really think this is her 5th year of this collab. So guys, please like, subscribe, and thumbs up my video, guys. Please share it out. And guys, you know what I always say, I gotta go, but I'll be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.